welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to make video like Ali Abdaal. Uh, in particular, we will be focusing on the paper fold transition. Okay, if you watch some of the Ali Abdul's videos, okay, so you probably already noticed those paper fold transitions he is using. Okay, so for this purposes, we will be using the CapCut and also the other software, the online software which we will be using in this video will be, it's called Paper Animator. Okay, so you can go to paperanimator.com. All right. So once you log in using your email address, that's the studio looks like. Okay, it's very simple, not nothing much complication here. You can change the change the ratio. You can change the quality. Okay, and also there are a few different editing features available here on the right hand side. I'm going to show you in a minute how to use them. Okay, so basically what you need to do, you just need to choose your file and drag and drop here inside the software, inside the paper animator. Okay, I already done it. Okay, so I'm using for the purposes of this video, because this video is about the CapCut, so I'm going to be using the CapCut logo. Okay, so I dropped this logo here, and automatically the software paper animator, okay, created this type of short animation for me. Okay, so I just simply dropped the logo, and here go, there's the animation, right? So what we can do with this animation now, we can make it bigger, we can make it smaller, and so on and so forth. Okay, we can do the edge thickness. Okay, we can make this the way which we prefer. All right, so okay, edge intensity, the same way edge details. Okay, so that's also available here. Cutout style. Okay, texture strength. Okay, so if you want to be very strong, this texture to be very strong, you can make it even like 100%. All right, so and other bits and pieces. Okay, we can make the movement, be up and down, and shadow strength also. Okay, so once we are happy with this whole thing, okay, what is it we need to do before we actually download it into our computer? Okay, we just need to make sure that it's working for us. Okay, so let's click on it. All right, so this toggle paper unfold off. Okay, we need to click on it and see if it's working. Yeah, and it's working fine. Okay, that's exactly what we be looking to get. Okay, that's the first step. Okay, and once this is all working for you guys, you can just simply go and export into your PC, into your laptop. Once we are happy with the animation we achieved in the paper animator, okay, we just need to go and click on this toggle green screen off. Okay, so once this is done, we can go ahead and we go and export this animation into our computer, right? So once this is already been done, okay, we go back to our CapCut. What we have to do, we just need to go and import our animation. Here we go, that's our animation. And also what we need to do, we just need to import some sort of background, right? So let's say that I'm going to use this particular background for the purposes of our video. All right, so now let's go ahead and do this. We're going to move those couple of things into our working area. All right, so once this is done, right, so now what we need to do is on the right hand side, you're going to see the video, right? So once we click on it, all right, bang, and now after we click on the video, we just have to go back and go and click on the remove background. Okay, once we go and do click the remove background, it's called remove bg. Okay, we're gonna use chroma key for these purposes, and once we use the chroma key, we just need to go and click on this color picker. Okay, so here we go, and once we click on it, okay, we want to go ahead and change the color, the chroma key and the color picker on this on our original, background, right? So let's go and click on it, and here you go, and it's already been done, right? So here you go, we can make it even bigger if we want to do so. And now we can go ahead and see how it's all been working for us. There you go. You got a ready feature. Okay, everything is absolutely fantastic here. There you go. And this paper fold like transition is ready for us. So that's all what I want to cover in this video, guys. If you like it, just hit the like button. I'll be including the link into the CapCut down there inside the description of this video. If you can subscribe to my channel, it would be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.